These are sugar-free dehydrated cranberries. I'm doing them in two ways. One in the dehydrator and the other one in the air fryer. Works out really well. Nice low-carb snack. It's 1 net carb per 10 cranberries. That's affordable. Sugar-free dehydrated cranberries. I make this every year. I do it in the dehydrator. And this is a low-carb version, sugar-free. And what I'm doing, the recipe for this is below in the comment section. But I've taken some whole fresh cranberries, washed them, dried them, and then I've picked out some of the mushy ones, and I've cut them lengthways, like that. So you can see what that looks like. A tablespoon of avocado oil. I'll just mix that around to coat them. Just helps the erythritol stick a little better. And I've got 1/8 of a cup of powdered erythritol. And we'll just mix that up. Yeah, you can see what that looks like. That looks good. So I'm going to spread them on the dehydrator racks. Kind of separate them a bit. Normally I would fill up all the racks, but I'm going to try something a little bit different today. I'm going to a second rack here. There, I've got 2 trays there. I'll put the lid on. Now, I was thinking this morning about the air fryer, and I thought, why couldn't you do it in the air fryer? This temperature is going to be about 120 degrees in the dehydrator. Let's see how low this one goes. So I'm going to put them into the basket. I haven't done this before. There we go. Now, if you don't have a dehydrator or you don't have an air fryer, you can put it on a piece of parchment paper on a cookie sheet in the oven at about 170 to 200 degrees, and then just rotate them and flip them around every couple of hours till you get to the desired consistency that you like. So I'm going to start at my dehydrator. There, that's going now. This will take anywhere from 8 to 10 hours, but I like some of them kind of chewy, and it's got that tart and sweet. Oh man, I love these. And for the air fryer, I'm going to take my temperature. This goes as low as 180 degrees, so I'll start that up. I'm going to check them every couple of hours. I'll see you in about 8 hours or so. Okay, my sugar-free dehydrated cranberries worked out really well. In the dehydrator, it took exactly 8 hours, and you can see the sugar on there. So you want to just go until everything, you don't want anything mushy. So you want to make sure that you go until it's dehydrated. You don't want a mushy one because it can go moldy. So they worked really well. And you sample them every couple of hours. So these didn't move around at all. There, you can see the sugar on there. It held up really nicely. It's a great low-carb snack. Now, this is the first time, as I mentioned, that I've used the air fryer. And what I found was it only took 4 hours in total to do them. And you can see that they're a lot smaller. But one of the problems was they jumped around there like popcorn, and it kind of knocked the sugar off. So I'll just add more sugar to that. What a great fall-time low-carb snack. The air fryer does work, though. I was really impressed. The temperature was kind of high. It was 180 degrees for the air fryer, and the dehydrator is only around 120 degrees. They're sugar-free dehydrated cranberries. I'll just add a little bit more erythritol to these ones. Thanks for watching.